So today we'll discuss about cryptocurrency, market size and technology, their types and investing in cryptocurrencies and their outstanding issues. So here we go. The cryptocurrency market cap has been projected to reach as high as 1 to 2 trillion in 2018. The market cap of Bitcoin extended 70 billion with peak trading volumes around 3 billion per day. Technology constantly firm CB Insights has identified 27 ways blockchain can fundamentally change processes as diverse as banking, cybersecurity, voting, and academics. The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2027, 10% of global GDP will be stored on blockchain technology. Most mining pools are located in China, comprising more than 70% of total Bitcoin mining. China manufactures most cryptocurrency mining equipment and leverages the country's cheap electricity price. So now we will discuss about types of cryptocurrencies. There are over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in existence right now called altcoins. Over 600 have market ca- capitalizations of over $100,000, while Bitcoin price has generally been following upward trend in early 2018. Bitcoin price fell sharply, dipping below 8,000 as news of tougher regulations from China and South Korea surfaced. Bitcoin's price also fell following announcement of SEC crackdown on crypto exchange and after Binance was reportedly hacked. Bitcoin's market share has fallen from 81% in June 2016 to 41% 1 year later in June 2017. However, Bitcoin price has continued to soar. In August 2017, Ether's market capitalization was around $28 billion. At one point, commentators anticipated that Ether's market capitalization would surpass that of Bitcoin. However, issues with Ethereum technology have since caused its value to decline. So now we will discuss about investing in cryptocurrencies. Supply and demand matters. The rate of increase of supply of Bitcoin will decrease until the number of Bitcoins reaches to 21 million, which is expected to take place in year 2140. Similarly, the supply of Litecoin will be capped at 84 million units. Initial coin offering are trending right now. This year, former Mozilla CEO Brendan H. raised $35 million from an ICO in less than 30 seconds, and Bancor Protocol raised $153 million in under 3 hours. Blockchain related projects have raised more than $1.6 billion via ICOs to date, while venture capitalists have provided only $550 million for cryptocurrency companies. So now we'll discuss about outstanding issues. While the US has been cracking down on unregulated activities in countries such as Germany and UK, Cryptocurrencies are treated like private money and not subject to tax outside of commercial use. New York State created the bit license system mandates for companies before conducting business with New York constituents. As of mid 2017, only 3 bit license has been issued and a far greater number withdrawn or denied in Asia, where cryptocurrency demand has been soaring. The China and South Korea governments have taken hard stance on cryptocurrency regulation. The FTC record an increase in identity fraud complaints of more than 100% between 2013 and 2016, and Coinbase, the large US based exchange, saw account hacking double just between November and December 2016. So, here was the topic today. I hope you will really like the video. So, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye for today.